Established in 2009, Shenzhen Shoulder Tent Company is one of the benchmark enterprise structured tent manufacturers in China, primarily focused on modular prefabricated aluminum alloy tent industry for decades. Shoulder is a specialized and innovative enterprise dedicated to research and development production, sales of modular and mobile aluminum alloy structures. We provide flexible and customizable solutions for temporary space demand for wedding celebrations, commercial activities, various exhibitions, brand showrooms and conferences, sports venues, industrial warehouse, disaster management, military storage, and hospitals, and other fields to fully meet the diverse temporary space needs. Our company's products are sold worldwide. The company has won the unanimous recognition of consumers with satisfactory product quality and perfect after-sales service. Up to now, our products has been delivered to over 130 countries and areas including Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Asia, and Middle East. Shoulder Tent has provided high-quality tent solutions for many brands. With our insistence on innovation and continuous breakthroughs, we have become the designated suppliers of tents for domestic and overseas events. Shoulder Tent have professional teams in China, including Shenzhen Management Center, Guangzhou Marketing Center, Zhengzhou Design Center, Qingyuan Production Center, covering an area of 4,000 square meters with automated production equipment, committed to providing professional and high-quality services of designing and manufacturing. We value every opportunity to provide our services, firmly believe every demand and feeling counts. Let's work closely together towards a brighter future. When you need a tent project solution, please do not hesitate to let us know. Thank you.